The message by Mr. Donald Trump, the President of the United States, recently posted on social media describing the landmine explosions that killed and injured many Thai soldiers as, quote, an accident, has caused deep apprehension and disappointment among many Thai people. Such a description gravely misrepresents the reality on the ground and constitutes a travesty of the truth. Mr. President, I wish to draw your attention to verified and documented evidence that directly contradicts the claim that these landmine incidents were accidental. Thai forces recently recovered an official Cambodian military notebook while reclaiming Thai sovereign territory at Hill 677 in the Chong An Ma area of Ubon Ratchathani province within Thai soil. This notebook contains detailed operational records of newly planted landmines and other explosive devices deliberately laid inside Thai territory with a diabolical intent to kill or sabotage Thai troops. The records explicitly state that on August 12th, Cambodian forces successfully planted 11 landmines, more than 30 improvised explosive devices, and 6 TNT-based explosive devices along the border within Thai soil. The notebook further outlines a plan to deploy 6 additional landmines on August 21st. Even more alarmingly, Cambodian troops infiltrated a Thai military bunker and planted a PMN-2 anti-personnel landmine directly at the bunker site on Thai territory. These records align precisely with the timeline of landmine injuries sustained by Thai soldiers since July 16th. To date, 7 Thai soldiers have lost their legs and many others have been wounded by landmine explosions, most while conducting routine patrols within Thailand's sovereign territory. These incidents are not accidents. They are the foreseeable outcomes of deliberate military actions by Cambodia. In addition to landmine warfare, Cambodian forces have also engaged in direct attack on Thai civilians. On July 24th, Cambodia initiated the hostilities by firing BM-21 rockets into civilian neighborhoods in Thailand, including hospitals, convenience stores, and residential homes. More than 14 Thai civilians were killed, with many others injured. At the convenience store, forensic officers discovered 3 bodies positioned in what appeared to be a mother, clutching her child in a final and desperate embrace. On December 13th, Cambodian forces once again launched BM-21 rocket attacks right into Thai civilian areas in Kantaralak district, Sisaket province, destroying more than 30 homes and killing 1 Thai civilian. On December 16th, BM-21 rockets were again fired into Thai temple grounds. And on December 17th, the Cambodian troops launched a barrage of BM-21 rockets into civilian areas in Sakao province, Thailand, causing extensive damage to over 395 acres of villagers' sugarcane fields. These inhumane acts demonstrate a clear and repeated pattern of targeting civilian areas, which is a direct violation of international humanitarian law. To twist the reality in its favor, Cambodia has repeatedly produced misinformation and false narratives to obscure these facts. Meanwhile, the Thai military operations have been conducted strictly in self-defense, responding to attacks with necessity and proportionality, targeting only legitimate military positions and in full accordance with international law, with the paramount aim of safeguarding national sovereignty. As the evidence shows, Cambodia has continued firing BM-21 rockets into Thai civilian areas while publicly calling for a ceasefire. This contradiction and hypocrisy reflect a profound lack of sincerity regarding the mediation role of the United States. We firmly believe that mediation in any conflict must be based on integrity, honesty, impartiality, trustworthiness, sound judgment, and empathy. For any mediation to be credible, it is important for the United States to fully understand the reality on the ground and be fully aware of the genuine feelings of the Thai people. Our concerns are real. The landmine incidents are real. They were not accidents. Therefore, we respectfully urge you, Mr. President and the United States, to reassess the facts and reconsider whether these essential qualities are being upheld in the mediation process. Because without these essential qualities, mediation risks losing credibility and may ultimately hinder, rather than lead to, genuine and lasting peace. Thank you.